In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save ManyChat contact info to Excel. This can be an incredibly useful tool if you're looking to organize your contact data in a structured way, or if you need to perform additional analysis using Excel's powerful features. So let's dive right into it. First, we need to head over to the Home tab of your ManyChat account. You'll find this on the dashboard after you've logged in. This is your starting point, and it's where you'll access various features of ManyChat. Next, we'll need to click on the Contacts section. This is where all your subscriber data is stored on ManyChat. Here, you'll see a list of all the people who have interacted with your bot, which is crucial for our next steps. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this section if you haven't already. Now, it's time to choose the specific contact or contacts that you want to convert to Excel. Navigate through your list and select those that are relevant for your needs. This step is particularly important if you're looking at specific segments of your audience or specific interactions. Once you've chosen your contact, the next step is to click on the three dots located typically next to the contact's name or in their profile page. This will reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From the drop-down, select the option labeled Download Contact Data. This initiates the process of extracting your contact's information. You're almost there, so hang tight. After clicking on Download Contact Data, you'll likely be prompted to confirm your selection. Simply click OK to proceed. This step is your go-ahead to ManyChat to begin compiling the data into a downloadable format. The next step is where you'll actually start the download. Simply click on the option Download Contact Data again, and this will trigger the download of a JSON file containing your contact's information to your device. After downloading, we need to convert this JSON file into an Excel format. For that, you'll head over to a JSON to Excel conversion tool. One reliable option is Aspos's online conversion tool. On the Aspos homepage, click on Browse to locate your recently downloaded JSON file on your computer. Once you've found your file, select it and then click the Upload button. This step will prepare your file for the conversion process, ensuring it's ready to be transformed into an Excel format. Now it's time to convert. With your file uploaded, click on Run Conversion. This will process the JSON file and convert it into an Excel file that you can then download. And there you have it, a fully converted Excel file with your ManyChat contact data ready for your use. This process not only helps you back up your contact data, but also allows you to leverage Excel's functionalities for deeper analysis and insight. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials.